students, today I'm going to give you answer key of the chapter The Adventures of an Understudy। जैसे कि आप सबको पता है मैंने ये चैप्टर ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, तो इसमें काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी दैट मैम प्लीज़ अपलोड द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। सो सॉरी टू से एक्चुअली आई हैड फॉरगॉटन माई ऑल द बुक्स इन माई स्कूल, so today I'm giving only the answer key of these chapters. Hope you all will understand it properly. I will explain it. Actually I will just dictate it, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि जितने भी वीडियोज़ हैं वो ब्लर हो जा रहे हैं. I am working on it also, so I will just go through it. And so let us start understanding the text. So chapter number The Adventures of an Understudy का first question, I don't know what it is, sorry. So the answer is, the game refers to the elaborate ruse that Rassendyll was going to execute with the help of Colonel Sapp and Fritz, in which he would take the place of King Rudolph and participate in the latter's coronation ceremony. It was essential that the king showed up for this politically significant event, failing which the king's half-brother Black Michael would take over the throne. But the king had been found unconscious and in no state to attend the ceremony, which led to his look-alike, Rassendyll, playing the king's part for a day. If they won the game, all would be well, and the king himself could rule over Ruritania. But if their role was discovered, Black Michael, King Rudolph's half-brother, would seize the throne of Ruritania. Now coming to answer number 2. Rassendyll prepared for the role by taking instructions from Colonel Sapp. He told Rassendyll about King Rudolph's personal history, his family, taste, pursuits, weakness, friends, companions, and servants. This was to make Rassendyll prepared to pose as King Rudolph at the coronation. He was also trained in the etiquette of the Ruritania court. Outwardly, he was dressed in royal clothes with a sword in its scabbard, a revolver and a helmet to look the part he was supposed to play. जैसे कि आप लोग को पता है ना, याद होगा कि वो जो रेसेंडील को उसने सब कुछ बताया हुआ था कि उसके फ्रेंड के बारे में, वीकनेस के बारे में, क्यों, ताकि वो जब वहाँ पे खड़ा हो तो कहीं पे भी उसे ये नहीं लगे कि वो कोई भी चीज़ से अनजान है. Coming to answer number 3. The line, "The last thing I did was to feel if my revolver was handy and my sword loose in the scabbard," in para 4 indicates that Rassendyll was well aware of the mortal threat involved in the risky endeavor he had chosen to undertake. However, at the same time, he was trying to manage his fears as best as he could. This fear for their lives was rife in the hearts of Colonel Sapp and Fritz. Colonel Sapp prayed, "God send we may be alive tonight," to which Fritz replies, "Amen," thus revealing the same fear. उन दोनों को डर था ना, कर्नल सैप और फ्रिट्ज को, कि कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं हो जाए वरना उन लोगों की जान जा सकती थी. ठीक है, इस बारे में इस आंसर में बताया है. Coming to answer number 4. Sapp and Fritz proved themselves to be worthy and loyal friends of King Rudolph when they agreed to put their lives in danger to save the throne from Michael. Even in the absence of the king, they agreed to the dangerous play just for the sake of their king and his kingdom. किसके लिए किया था ये सब? सिर्फ उसने अपनी प्रजा के लिए किया था ना. इतना सब कुछ जो भी वो रिस्क उठा रहे थे सिर्फ अपनी प्रजा के लिए कर रहे थे, उस बारे में है. नाउ कमिंग टू आंसर नंबर 5. इन मैनी ओकेशंस थ्रू आउट द टेक्स्ट, Rassendyll has expressed his thrill at playing the part of the king. He has a sense of adventure and is brave enough to take a risk. He travels a distance without his entourage to generate trust in the people. It is a mark of goodwill. There are many instances where his fear of getting caught almost compelled him to flee, particularly when faced with the keen scrutiny of Michael. However, he continued resolutely and was eventually successful. On one hand, Resendil comes across an adventurous, risk loving person, and on the other, he shows bravery in the face of adversities. और इसकी जगह पर आप अपना मन से भी कोई आंसर बना सकते हो, क्योंकि उसमें दिया है फ्री रिस्पॉन्स फॉर व्हाट चॉइस द स्टूडेंट वुड हैव मेड. ठीक है. इन नाउ कमिंग टू आंसर नंबर 6. In regular use, the word understudy refers to a person who learned the lead actor's role in order to be able to act at a short notice in the absence of the actor. The text is called The Adventures of an Understudy because it brings out the story of Rasindil, a simple man who, just like an understudy, played the part of a real king in the latter's absence. He looked exactly like King Rudolph and hence played his part, attending his coronation in order to save the throne from a usurper. He proved himself to be a good understudy who prepared well for his role with the help of Sapt and Fritz, so that he could portray the king as accurately as possible. Since this play was a great adventure for Rasindel, the real-life understudy of King Rudolph, the title is justified as The Adventures of an Understudy. ये चैप्टर का नाम अंडरस्टडी क्यों था उसके बारे में, और वो पूरा अंडरस्टडी के चैप्टर में पूरा ऑल ओवर हुआ क्या था वो बताना है. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू आंसर नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, फर्स्ट का आंसर बी है, सेकंड का सी है, थर्ड का भी सी है एंड फोर्थ का भी सी है. Then going to question appreciating the text. So lines from the text क्या है? God save both courage and lad. Situation क्या थी उसकी? किस situation में ये बात बोली गई थी? Colonel Sepp said these words when Rasindel and his entourage arrived in the city for the real king's coronation. कब बोला था उसने? जब वो लोग एंटर हो रहे थे ना कोरोनेशन के लिए उस टाइम पे. और इमोशन क्या थे उनके? सो व्हाट वाज द इमोशंस? कर्नल सेप्थ वांटेड टू इन्फ्यूज करेज इनटू अ Rasindel one final time before he began his act of being the king, acting in a hazardous situation with his stakes high. Colonel Sept let out a prayer where he wishes for God's blessing to be with both the kings, the real king and the understudy. ठीक है. Now lines from second one is okay, first one was done for you and second was which I explained you, and third one is I felt my nerve returning and the troubled beating of my heart subsiding. तो इसकी situation क्या थी? Rasindel narrates about his state of mind when the marshal and other dignitaries seemed to greet him as they would greet the real king. और इमोशंस क्या थे उनके? Rasindel's fear of being exposed after failing to portray King Rudolph was calmed momentarily when he saw that no one suspected foul play. Coming to fourth one, but the truth is that I was giddy with excitement. किस सिचुएशन में ये बोला? किसने बोला? क्यों बोला? Rasindel appreciates the torrent of red roses that he was greeted with. जब उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे फूल बरसाए जा रहे थे ना उस टाइम पे उसने ये बात बोली थी. और उसके इमोशन क्या थे? He felt giddy with the admiration he received while playing the part of the real king. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत खुश हो गया था ना, क्योंकि उसके पास सच में ऐसा कभी उसके साथ ऐसा किसी ने बिहेव नहीं किया था, लेकिन असली राजा की तरह उसे सब कुछ मिल रहा था. He confessed that though he knew he was only a common man who looked like the king, he still couldn't help but think that he was indeed the king. After that 5 and 6 is free response. वैसे भी इतने बता दिए तो आप इतने तो आप लोग कर ही लोगे, है ना, my smart students. Now grammar and usage. Question number A, second one, he will join us only after his work gets done. AC of time. He will join us at the last minute. AP. Actually, I am not able to even look out that what is the question. Just I am going on reading it. Now, question number 3. She traveled us despite her health. So, despite of health is AP. And she traveled with us although she was not feeling well. So, although she was not feeling well is AC of concession. He would always talk as if everyone else in the room were deaf. As if everyone से लेकर वह deaf तक AC of manner है. And he would always talk at such high volume. So at such high volume is AP. Now coming to question number 5. To make the most of it, I decided to go to the beach. To make the most of it is AP. I went to the beach since I wanted to make the most of it. So since से लेके last तक जो है वो AC of reason है. You can buy this game if you save up more money. So this is also AC of condition. And with next B1, with more money you can buy this game. With more money is AP. Coming to question number B, Tejas would have asked the doctor many more questions if he had seen him before the surgery. Third is, she would have stopped talking to you if you had not attended the meeting. They could have enjoyed their holiday a lot more if they had stayed longer and seen the places around. I wouldn't have been here today if I hadn't received such a warm invitation from you. The child might have been cheerful if he had eaten a snack before the show. Coming to question number C. C का second question is, answer is, if it rains soon, the farmers will want to start sowing. Third, if they reduced the price, we would be likely to buy the car. Fourth, if you wear a helmet when riding a bicycle, you will stay safe. Fifth, if I lived in this area, I would love to visit this library every day. Sixth, if she hadn't brought lunch for all of us, we wouldn't have eaten. Question number 4. They could have enjoyed their holiday a lot more if they had stayed longer and seen the places around. Fifth, I wouldn't have been here today if I hadn't received such a warm invitation from you. Sixth, the child might have been cheerful if he had eaten a snack before the show. Question number C का second answer. Actually, I had already explained it. Sorry. Coming to question number 6. Question number C. Answer number 6. If she hadn't brought lunch for all of us, we wouldn't have eaten. Words in use. First is erupted. Second, drew my attention to. Third, extinguishing. Fourth, reduced in intensity. Fifth, saw it all in one glance. Sixth, attracted my attention. Seventh, destroyed. And eighth is resisted. I think it is helpful for you. Enjoy your day. Bye.